how to log in to Bitcoin wallet. So if you want to log into your Bitcoin wallet, then first you need to install the application. And once you've installed, you can open up your application, which is bitcoin.com. And now you can go for settings, which is on the bottom right. And then you can go for sign in, which is on the first. Tap on sign in. And now you need to enter your email address that you have used to create your account. And then tap on the arrow, which is on the right side, bottom right side. And now you need to check your email. And here you will have login request to Bitcoin. So simply go for that, and then you can tap on login. And open up with your Chrome browser or any browser that you're comfortable with. And it will automatically log you into your Bitcoin wallet and take you to your application. So that's it. That's how you log into your Bitcoin wallet. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.